gun. Show your gun. You see the gun? He keeps shooting me with those bullets. So I said next time he shoots me with one, I'm going to eat the bullet. And because it's just...
Headshot!
Wow. Do you mind losing the bullet? You want? Can I eat the bullet? Can I eat? You have to finish the left. Can I eat it?
I don't really care.
Okay. I'm asking for permission because it's delicious, actually.
I just headshot Bob in the peen, and he just ate one Nerf bullet.
Stroller.
Stop eating it.
You told me to eat it.
Are you swallowing it?
I'm going to.
No, you're not.
Yeah, it's too big to swallow now. Hold on.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Yeah, you did. Alright. This doesn't go down easy, huh?
That's what she said. Did you swallow it?